Hi there, I'm Glyn, and in this video I'm going to show you how super easy it is to book your first online class with me. So let's have a look at the website and try booking a class. So here we are on the Chrome browser, and if we go to the website, which is calendar@glynsenglish.online, we will see the appointment system. So as it loads up nice and slowly, here we go. Ooh, technology, there we go. So now the screen's all loaded up, we can see that we have one course available at the moment, the 30-minute one-to-one fluency class. So let's click on that and choose the time and date of our class. Okay, it's all running a little bit slowly because I've got lots of stuff happening on my computer. Okay then, so we'll get rid of the European agreements. And here we go. Here we have the booking system. So now we're in, now we've chosen the course, we just need to book a day. So we can scroll through to next week and, Friday the 28th of September sounds perfect. So let's book that. And now we can have a look through at the available times and 6 o'clock. Let's go for 6 o'clock. Let's confirm. Okay, so here's the information about our class. 30-minute fluency class at 6 o'clock European time. Okay, a few details. So we just need to enter our personal details. So Glyn Jones, English at glyn.online. And then there's also a mobile phone number for WhatsApp. I asked for your mobile phone number because the booking system will send you a text message to remind you about your class the night before and also just before your class starts as well, just to make sure you're there and you're ready and it doesn't get forgotten about with the busy life. Okay then, so that's the information there that goes in. Next is the payment system. So here you'll see is our online booking system. You enter your full name, your card details, the expiry and this 3-digit security code on the back. Okay, important thing to notice here, this information doesn't come to me. This system here is powered by a company called Stripe. You might not have heard of Stripe, but they're one of the biggest providers of online payment systems. The El Corte Inglés website uses it for its online transactions. The Guardian newspaper in the UK use this company. National Geographic, Kickstarter, Lyft. If you want to find out more about them, have a look at www.stripe.com. You can see all their customers and their history. Okay, so once you've completed your details, underneath there's a schedule event button. Click on that and you'll get a confirmation email with all the instructions of where to find our classroom and, if you need to, how to change the time and date if something comes up and you need to make an adjustment to the class. Okay then, so just to show you how super easy it is to do it, doesn't matter if it's 3 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock at night. You can still do it, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, sorry. You can still book your class with no problems. Okay, so hope to see you in a class sometime soon.